go to Research Rabbit. Let's search for Research Rabbit. These are AI tools. Yet again, you sign up using your Gmail account itself. You can sign up. Okay, so here you can make a new collection for each theme that you are trying to search for. You can create a new collection. So I have made one collection on wave refraction. uh, so what you can do is you can search, or how could I? Yes, there is one app that goes by the name Researcher. Once you open that Researcher app, after installing, you can give all the other requirements or specifications that you are interested in, and put the notifications on. So every time there's a new paper that is being published, that will send you. Okay, you can use that app. Researcher is the name of it. I will share a link also to that. So these are the different papers. Okay, and let's say if I want to find out which authors are suggested to me based on the articles that I have added. So you can use this green button to add the papers that you have identified from, let's say, Elicit. Let's say from Elicit you have identified that these are the 3 4 papers that are very important to you. So you come here and then add papers, search for those papers using the names and add them here. And here you will get notices about, different research groups that are exploring. For example, here you will see that there's one group by Siddaramaiah Dwarkesh, uh, and M. Dodamani. So this is one group which is studying this wave refraction. Besides that, K.S. Jayappa sir, within which you have Rajawat sir's name also. So you have one more group here. G.N. Nayak sir is from Goa University. So there's one group, they are also studying wave refraction. So you have some suggested researchers over here that also you can follow. Then there are these researchers which are actively working in the field, so you can follow their work. Then earlier work, similar work. So these are the different suggestions that will lead you ultimately to, so for example, this similar work. So you will see that um, Satyanarayana of 2008 paper that is linked to many of these groups. So accordingly you can find out which are the different researchers who are often citing one another because they are working in the similar background. So you can explore this. Besides that, there are many more. When you start exploring them, you will end up finding many more. There are, without besides this AI powered discoveries, no, there are also these traditional sources, that is by PubMed. There's one, Science Direct also. PubMed is essentially for the biological sciences, or for life sciences and medical papers. Okay, so there you can go to clinical laboratory papers. You can go to PubMed. If you are extensively working in environmental fields, then you can go for Science Direct. Okay, so this link, this ppt will be with you. You can explore these links to be able to search for using the keywords, and again the same method. Then Springel link. uh, so uh, from different publication houses, there are different search engines. Okay, besides the Google Scholar. But Google Scholar is just one, it's just one storehouse of everything. Okay, and besides that, these AI powered discoveries. Okay.